Welcome to Meliora's channel, your go-to place for C# and data analysis tutorials, products hands-on demos, and insider secrets to keep you at the cutting edge of innovation. Our goal is to break down complex tech topics to a level that you will easily understand to supercharge your skills. Without further ado, let's jump right in.
Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial video on Python data structures. In the previous video, we spoke about Python variable assignments. We spoke about basic Python input and output, and we also spoke about Python conditionals, and we did some basic arithmetic operations. In this video, we're talking about Python's built-in data structures. Pythons have four built-in data structures, namely lists, sets, dictionaries, and tuples. And each of them have their different characteristics that make them unique. We'll be kicking off with lists. A list is one of the commonly used Python data structure. It can be used to store values of different types. It can be a list filled with integers, a list filled with strings, or a list filled with integers and strings. Lists are quite special, and they are characterized by using the square bracket. Let us take example. We want to make a list of fruits. You can write fruits, orange, apple, banana. This is a list, and to confirm whether it's a list, you can use the built-in type to determine the type, which indicates as list, and they're characterized by the square bracket. A list have different methods. Lists are mutable. By mutable, I mean that you can increase the list and you can also reduce the list after initialization. In this first cell, we initialize the list of fruits, meaning that we can add more fruits to the list and we can remove more fruits from the list. So let's add fruits like guava. We use the append function to add things inside the list. Fruits dot append guava. Now guava is in the list. We can display fruit to see what is inside. As you can see, it contains all those four variables. You can also remove items from the list using the remove function. So fruits just remove. We identify a function, orange. Now orange is removed from the list. So if we are to display the fruits, we can see that what's remaining is apple, banana, and guava. Some key features about lists is they are ordered, meaning that the way you define it will be the way it is throughout the life cycle of the application it's defined in. A list allows duplicity, meaning that a value can be multiple times inside a list and you wouldn't do anything about it. And the list can be modified, which is what we did here. The next data structure we'll look at is tuples. A tuples is characterized by the bracket, this semicircle bracket. Now let's define a tuple of coordinates. You can call it 10, 20, 34, 56, and to be in a 3D format. Now, characteristics of tuples include ordered and speed. A tuple does not perform the characteristics of being mutable, because once you have defined a tuple, you cannot remove what is inside, or you cannot add anything inside. You cannot change anything about the tuple, but you can display what is inside this tuple. Which is this. If you attempt at changing what's inside the tuple, you will be thrown an error. Let's attempt to append 15 into the tuple. We'll find out that it's an error. And we can also find the type of the variable using the type function to confirm that it's a tuple. So it's a tuple. The next data structures we're going to go to is sets. Now, set is an unordered collection of data that does not allow duplicity. It means that a set cannot have two of the same kind inside. And sets are characterized by the curly bracket. So let's define a set. Let's say a set of even numbers. Characterized by the curly bracket. Let's say 2, 4, 6, 8. We can verify it's a set by using type function to give you the value set. Now let's attempt at redefining it again, and in this time we'll add 2 more 2s. Let me display it here so you can see. Print. You can see. Now at this point we add 2 more 2s. What set does is it goes through the value and find out whether there's anything that is duplicated. Anyone that is duplicated, it keeps one of it and eliminates the rest. So if I'm to print even again, it will be identical to the previous one we printed. So it has removed all the 2s and left only one of the 2. And one more thing you should note is unordered. Now let's look at the last data structure, which is called a dictionary. Now a dictionary is a pretty special data type. It stores data in a key value pairs, which allows fast lookups. Dictionary too are unordered. They are mutable and they have unique keys. And they are also characterized and created using the curly bracket. So let's define a dictionary filled with person's detail. Let's say person A, a dictionary. Add the person's name, which is the key. You can say Philip. We can add age. We can say 34. And then we can add country of origin. We can now say Kenya. This is an example of a dictionary. And if we are to determine the type using the built-in function type, it will give you which is a dictionary. Now, a dictionary is mutable, meaning that a value stored there can be changed, can be removed, and can be added, and another one can be added. How do we add stuff in a dictionary? We add stuff using the square bracket and then the assignment function. Using the square bracket and the assignment function, let's say we want to add the person's city of birth. You can now say New York. So this have just added something into the predefined dictionary. And then to display the dictionary, you can see city is already identified and is stored in the dictionary. So in this tutorial, we have just gone through 4 data types, data structures, I meant to say, the list, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. One thing you should know about the list is that it is ordered and it is mutable. For the tuple, it's ordered and it is immutable, meaning that it cannot be edited after it is defined. Then the set is unordered, mutable, and it can only contain unique values. The dictionary is unordered, mutable, and stores values as a key pair lookups and syntax. Now, I would like to give you a test on what to do. It's going to be pretty simple, I guess. So the test will be write a Python program that uses all 4 data structures. I would love to see what you have written. Please do drop your answers in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching, and if you learned something new or enjoyed this video, be sure to show us support by clicking like and subscribe. Your support helps us to bring you even better content, so stay tuned for the next exciting video. You can also click the link below to see other free and paid videos on other exciting topics. If the click did not work, kindly copy the link and paste on your browser. Thank you, and see you in the next video.